രണ്ടാം സ്ഥാനത്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞ 2 വർഷങ്ങളിൽ നെഹ്റു ട്രോഫി നേടിയ കാരിച്ചാൽ മാട്രിക്സ് സ്വപ്നം പൊലിഞ്ഞ് ഈ രണ്ടാം സ്ഥാനക്കാരുടെ മത്സരത്തിൽ രണ്ടാമതായി വിജയിക്കാനാണ് കാരിച്ചാലിന് കഴിഞ്ഞത്. 3-ാം സ്ഥാനത്ത് ആനാരിക്ക് എങ്കിലും 4-ാം സ്ഥാനത്ത് ചെറുകൻ. അങ്ങനെ രണ്ടാം സ്ഥാനക്കാരെ മത്സരം
The waiting is over. Another few minutes and you're going to see who is crowned Nehru Trophy champion in the Golden Jubilee year. The tussle is between Sunny Jacob led Vallam Kulangara in number 1, Bensi Monadaikal led Valia Divanji in number 2, Raju Vadakadat captaining Alapatputhan in track number 3, Chambakulam led by M.K. Tampan in track number 4. 4 teams, all of them equally strong, all of them with a long history. And when it speaks of history, possibly Valia Divanji can think of a wonderful day today because they upset the apple cart of Karichal, the team with the best track record in Nehru Trophy, having won the trophy 11 times, including 2 hat-tricks. So Valia Divanji has an edge today because they have got the better of Karichal. Sunny Jacob led Vallam Kulangara, which beat Cheradana in the second place in the second track, second heats, is a strong contender. The longest boat with 137 feet long, Vallam Kulangara is to be reckoned a high favorite. Nadu Bhagam was beaten by Alapadishundan, and Nadu Bhagam, you remember, has just won the second runner-up trophy. So if Alapadishundan could defeat Nadu Bhagam, then Alapadishundan has an even chance of winning this. Chambakulam, led by M.K. Tampan, having defeated Ayariputhan in the track number 4. I don't know whether they have an even chance as the other 3, but today has been a day of upsets. So be prepared. It could be a dark horse. Vallam Kulangara in track number 1, having beaten Cheradana in the second place. Bensi Kulnathaikal leading Valia Divanji, which beat Karichal. Raju Vadakadat leading Alapatputhan in track number 3, and Alapatchundan beat Nadu Bhagam. And finally in track number 4 it is Chambakulam, which beat all the 4 teams are vying every nerve, trying their best because there is so much to lose and so much to gain. Winning the Nehru Trophy on the 50th year, on the Golden Jubilee year, could be a dream fulfilled, and a team which entertained the dream most was Karichal, and it must have been the bitterest defeat that the team recorded today. Let's see what's happening. Sunny Jacob leading Vallam Kulangara in track number 1, Bensi Monadaikal leading Valia Divanji in track number 2, and Alapatchundan in track number 3, or is it Chambakulam in track number 4? Very, very close. I think in track number 3, Alapad is enjoying a slight lead, but don't rule out Vallam Kulangara in the far side. Benny Monadaikal led Valia Divanji lying a little behind, it appears. And on the 4th track, Chambakulam is equally in the front. It's going to be a race of races. Champion of champions being decided. Let's see and wait with bated breath till we hear the official announcement. All the 4 teams abreast. Vallam Kulangara in the far track, Valia Divanji in the second, Alapatputhan in the third, Chambakulam in the 4th. Is it Chambakulam or let's see. You can't make out now. On the far side it is Vallam Kulangara in the second. Vallam Kulangara seems to be in the lead. Vallam Kulangara on the far side in track number 1. Coming second is number 44, Valia Divanji. And third, in that order. It's the same order maintained. In track number 1, track number 1, it is Vallam Kulangara. Track number 2, Bensi Monadaikal led Valia Divanji. Track number 3, Raju Vadakadat led Alapatchundan, and Chambakulam in the 4th. So the teams are finished in the same order. The champion of champions for the year has been located. It is Vallam Kulangara, no doubt about it. Vallam Kulangara beat Cheradana in this first heat, Valiya Diwanji beat Karichal, the pride of the meet. In the second heat, Raju Vadakkedath led Malapadichundan in beating Nadabhagam, and Chambakulam has unfortunately had to be happy with a 4th place. Sunny Jacob must be a proud man today. Vellankulangara must be the proudest boat on the day, because it has the glory of winning the 50th Nehru Trophy, the golden jubilee year of Nehru Trophy. It started in 52, it is in 2002, and the winner is Vellankulangara. Finish close it was. What a close finish it was. Second was Valiya Diwanji. Very, very close it was. And Alapadichundan was not far behind. Unfortunately, there had to be a winner. There had to be a 4th place also. And there it is. So the meet is over by the shouting. Now the joy of winning the trophy, kissing the trophy which bears the autograph of Panditji, which was sent in December 1952. A beautiful golden replica of the snake boat, which was sent by Panditji after reaching Delhi, being thrilled beyond measure by the sight of the beauty of the ship, how beautifully crafted it was, how beautifully it was rowed by the people. He had such a wonderful memory that without anybody's reminder, he went straight to Delhi, had one crafted in beautiful silver and sent it back to Kerala, so that we now have the 50th meet of Nehru Trophy with bearing his own signature, his own autograph. Always cherished memory of Pandit Nehru, now remembered with glee, with joy, with gratitude, and the people of Kerala can never forget such a sport that Panditji was, such a consideration he had for the people of the country, and such a spirit he had of glorious competition. He wouldn't be satisfied as a 2nd place. Evidently he had to be the winner, and the winner now gets that is Sunny Jacob leading Vellankulangara, getting the trophy. Over to you, Alex.
Vellankulangara wins the Golden Jubilee Nehru Trophy. Valiya Diwanji, the 2nd place winner. The 3rd place was backed by Alapadichundan, and the 4th place by Chambakulam. Vellankulangara had earlier won the Nehru Trophy in the year 1988. This year, Vellankulangara was owed to victory by Kumaragam Boat Club, and the captain of the boat is Sunny Jacob. And he is all smiles when he is about to receive the prestigious Nehru Trophy from the chief guest.
What a show it was. What a wonderful show it was. You can't